Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing your Oppo smartwatch from your phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the heytap Health app. Open the app and tap on the Manage tab at the bottom. Then tap More. At the bottom of the More page, tap Unpair. Tap Unpair. Your watch will be unpaired from your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.